wanted them to announce who had built the labyrinth. I told you all because I want you to know who was the creator of the labyrinth. The creator of the labyrinth was a famous inventor and he was Daedalus. After the meeting, King Minos ordered Daedalus and his son to build the labyrinth. You can read now it's Daedalus and his son. Daedalus, I want you to build a labyrinth with your son. To hold my monster in the house so you can see it with the young mermaid.
Where's my
While they were working, Icarus felt tired.
Road for his son is almost finished. Yes,
Help!
Where are you taking us?
Help!
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 Let's go! Let's go!
After feeding the monster, King Minos ordered his soldiers to lock them both in the labyrinth. I want you to lock them both at the labyrinth so my secret goes out.
yes,
You betrayed me, King Minos. How could you? While they were inside the labyrinth, they're thinking how to escape. After thinking for a long time, Daedalus finally have an idea.
I have an idea. There are birds. Let's take their feathers and join together to make 4 large wings.
That is already done.
After giving the feathers